guys, nice to see you again. Today I want to show you our factory based in KunShan. This factory is our professional CNC machining center, mainly for resin products and plastic products such as PET, PMMA, PVC, POM. So let's go and I'll show you one by one. Most of our customers are from Japan, Germany, and the United States. All of them have strict demand on the quality. That's why we built our factory in KunShan, focused on only non-metal machining to accommodate diverse customer requirements with high-quality products. The KunShan factory is located close to our Shanghai headquarters. It takes only 2 hours to drive there from Shanghai Hongqiao Airport. A special vehicle will be arranged to pick up our customers to visit the factory. Our materials are mainly imported from Japan. If customers have requirements, we can provide corresponding material certificates. At the end of 2019, there were 12 workers in the workshop and 2 employees in the quality inspection department. The products are mainly used in robot R&D, medical supplies, semiconductors, optoelectronics, and so on. 4 sets of CNC roller machines are specially used for cutting non-metal materials such as POM, PVC, PET, PMMA. The highest precision can reach to 0.003 mm. Equipment traveling distance can reach the maximum 1,250 mm multiply 2,500 mm multiply 250 mm. Professional high vacuum suction work surface to ensure that the material processing is not deformed, flat, and very strong. One set on NC lathe, the maximum outer diameter can reach to 280 mm, and the precision can reach to 0.005 mm. The main operator, Mr. Han, has 8 years working experience in Japanese enterprises. He knows very well all interpretation of drawings, material characteristics, quality control of the products. 3 sets of 3-axis CNC machining centers. The maximum traveling distance is 800 mm multiply 500 mm multiply 360 mm. It is in the charge of Mr. Tian, the leader of 3-axis CNC machining center. He is responsible for revealing drawings, controlling production time, and processing. Hi guys, guess what? Do you know what is this big machine? At the increase of customers' requirements, we also established the department focused on bending and bonding the non-metallic materials. The materials are softened by the professional oven for precise time, and then they are placed on a mold for bending. After they cool down to the room temperature, those semi-finished products are bonded with a welded adhesive. Finally, our experienced workers will manually remove the burrs and repeat grinding to ensure that all contact surfaces are perfectly bonded. Professional quality inspectors and advanced quality inspection equipment are our indispensable elements. All products must be tested through a strict inspection process. Only qualified products will be delivered to our customers. All products are well packaged with waterproof and drop-proof packing to ensure that the products will not be damaged during transportation. Although Flytigercnc non-metal processing factory was established only 5 years ago, we have introduced excellent management system and processing talents. The factory director has 16 years of management experience in Japanese companies, and part of our production workshop staff also have years of working experience in foreign companies. We learn the spirit of ingenuity, seriousness, and responsibility from Japanese workers. We are dedicated to build the best non-metal processing team in China and serving the world. To warm the world with machinery. Thank you for your attention.